Okay guys, I was able to start a little bit early. You can see it's 7:24 at 6:04. Here's the unopened box. We'll get back to that. Let's get to the randomization. Let's see, we have, this is the list. It's a little blurry, but this is the list of names in order from the most spots bought to the least. And they're all 32 spots are on here. I'll go back up it. Okay, it's all the way up. And this is the teams in alphabetical order. All 32 of them. Okay, back up it. Okay, I'll start off with the names, and I will hit random 3 times. Here we go, there's 1. There's 2. And 3. I'll print that out. Okay, and now we're going to go over to the teams. The teams, here we go, there's the first one. The second one. And the third one. I'll print that out. I'll scroll down it as well. Okay, so there is that, and here are both lists numbered 1 through 32. 1 through 32. Sorry guys, my camera is a little blurry, but we'll get through it. Number 1, number 32. Okay, good luck to everyone. You know who gets what as I pull it out at the end, rather. There we go. Okay, and you can see the cellophane is still on here, unopened, all the way around. Thank you. And here's the foil. It is true Topps Inception. Okay. One pack, 7 cards. Okay, so we have Ahmad Bradshaw for the Giants. And that one is not numbered. We have a, not the right Redskin, guys, Fred Davis, tight end. and that one also is not numbered. We have a Ray Rice, and that one is numbered 183 of 252. And there is a Stephen Ridley, and that one is numbered. That one's numbered 2 of 50, going to the Patriots. Now we'll go down to the hits here. We have a Lamar Miller for the Dolphins, a running back, and that is not numbered. Oh, then we have a redemption card. A rookie auto jumbo patch green parallel. That is T.Y. Hilton, and I don't think that there is a checklist. No, there is no checklist. But I will let the person know who that goes to. That's T.Y. Hilton. I don't know what team he plays for. And then the hit, guys, we got a Trent Richardson, numbered 177 of 210. It is not an auto though. 177 of 210. Now the Browns. Let's see, the Browns. Number 6, that goes to TNT 013. The Dolphins. Is to Christopher Thompson. The Stephen Ridley for the Patriots goes to EMP PNZ. The Ray Rice let's see, where's Baltimore? Goes to Crispy 272001. The Redskins goes to Christopher Thompson. And the Ahmad Bradshaw for the New York Giants goes to TNT 013. Guys, I have another break going on right now. It's not a random spot, it is a team break. You're bidding on your own teams. I hope to have another random one on shortly. Thank you guys for going in, saving me as a seller. You'll see all my new breaks coming in. Again, thank you guys for joining, and I'll send these out tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a good one. Bye.